coming. Hamjambo wote. Hapa mnapoona here behind me are my clients, members of a group called Lupoto Settlement, who are residents of Embakasi, precisely near the SGR terminal. These people, sometime last year, the government gave them ownership of the land measuring 93 acres, and they entered into an agreement, as you see from my court documents, which were filed ELC number 4 of 2024, and a government entity, Kenya Railways, bought their land, and money was paid. A lawyer who was me was removed from the deal, and a new lawyer whom they don't know was brought in to get the money, and that is where things happened. Their money was stolen. It was a brazen stealing of these people's money, and they lost almost, they got only just about 10%. These people were 300 on the land. It's just a few of them. And so the cartels which came there, including government officials, including their own officials, because they had officials, took all the money. And these people were displaced, and now they are outside. They don't know, they were not able to get enough money to settle, and they have come back to court to seek justice. This case demonstrates how their names were used to get money out of railways and then taken by other people other than the beneficiaries who ought to have got the money. It's a very sad case indeed, that people use these poor Maasai names to get their money out of railways, 2.7 billion to be precisely, and they took all the money. Very sad. So we have come to court, and we have come to seek justice. We are saying that railways which bought the land cannot take possession of the land because it did not ensure the money went to these poor people. You can see this lady holding a child. She's now displaced, and all of them are very sad people. And so we have come to seek justice for them. We have filed a case. We are waiting for directions of the court on how this matter, but we are seeking injunctive orders to stop them from taking over the land. And we are seeking also for those people to account for the money, because as far as we know, and we have attached, if you look at the documents I have attached the small money they got. For example, this one got how much? 100,000. So they kept on giving them very small money, and when they ensured they were forced out through Askaris were brought in, and they were forced out of their land, and that is when theft happened. And so we have brought this case to seek justice. My law firm also, which was handling the matter, was exposed to a lot of debts which the clients had taken. You can see demand letters from various lawyers demanding money from my law firm because they had taken loans and spent in sales. So I also became exposed, and that's why my law firm now is being sued also as an interested party. I've come to file my own document as well, and my affidavit will reveal everything. Thank you. I want to give Senator.
Wacha niseme kama kiongozi ambaye aliweza kuserve kwa Senate, na mimi ni kiongozi wao wananchi. Hii ni scandal ambaye ni mbaya sana, na ndivyo tufike hapa. Kwanza wananchi pamoja na sisi viongozi tulitokezea na tukaambia DCI na EACC wafuatilie, na ile kitu ambayo ilitushangaza ni kwamba wale matapeli nafikiri waliweza pia kucompromise hizo maofisi, na hiyo ndiyo imefanya hawa wananchi wakasema basi ni waje watafute haki yao hapa. Ile imetushangaza sana kwa sababu rais ametokezea mbele kabisa, hataki utapeli, hataki ukora, na kuona maofisi mengine ambaye wananchi wakilia wale wanaona kwamba wananchi si watu wa kujali, ni kitu ambaye inatustajabisha sana. na inatuweka hofu. Mimi ninasema hapa tumekuja, nina hakika wananchi watapata haki, na ni vizuri kwa maana 2.47B pale Embakasi hakukuwa na nyumba yeyote, ilikuwa imejengwa na mawe. Usikie kwamba kuna mtu amelipwa milioni 200 na wala mama kama huyu anapewa shilingi 50,000 pale, ni kusema kwamba ilikuwa ni utapeli kabisa. Ni vizuri Kenya Railways kwanza waache kuingia kwa hiyo shamba, na ni vizuri pia mpaka hata KCB wale walikuwa wanalipa hiyo itokezee ionyeshane kwamba ndivyo walipe ni nini hii walikuwa wanalipa, kwa maana hata wao bank wangejiuliza. Pia wale ambaye ni mawakili waliweza kuja kuingilia na kuona kwamba hii jambo ilikuwa inasukumwa na wakili fulani na wao wakawekwa, wangejiuliza kwa sababu gani. Kwa sababu hiyo pia tunauliza Law Society of Kenya iangalie wale mawakili na ikiwezekana wapatie nidhamu. Hapa hatuwezi cheza na maneno ya wananchi. Hatuwezi ona wananchi wetu wakitaabika, leo wanalala kwa mitaro, hawajui wanakula nini, shule zimefunguliwa, watoto wao hawajaenda shule. Sisi tunasema tumekuja hapa kupitia wakili Letangule, hata yeye akiwa pia amedhulumiwa, ndivyo haki ya wananchi ipatikane. Asante.
Mama moja huyu mama.
Hamjambo wote. Mimi nikiwa mmoja wa kutoka Darfur, hiyo kijiji ya Dupoto, nikiwa hapo mmoja ambapo ni mimi ni mzaliwaji wa hapo, nikaishi hapo.